talk about this a lot and you write about it a lot, but I think it bears worth reminding people that, here we are, 20th of December, obviously less than 2 weeks away from the start of the new year. And from a monthly quad framework standpoint, we have quite a significant inflection forecast to be upcoming here. So really coming out of the, that sort of profitless tech bonanza that was, catalyzed at the beginning of November and is running here through, December thus far. And, we still see a very different environment as we head into the new year.
So you're not going to get on the call and say what apparently Andrew Ross Sorkin said on the Clown Show Network this morning. He said that we're in a, and he's not politically biased, of course, but we're in a Alice in Wonderland economy. Why don't people understand that? Okay, that's and thank you to Pete B for putting that up there, because I certainly wouldn't have known that. He said he's dumber than usual because he had to watch that on a flight.
Yeah, I mean, Alice in Wonderland is kind of a fairy tale, so I don't know. That's the most grounding sort of environment you want to be in. Look, I think obviously, it's been a remarkable year, right? You've had these sort of violent rallies in the months of January and July and November, and continuing here in December, and then the rest of the year, obviously talking about U.S. equities on the large cap side, but the rest of the year has been very different. And just because you've had a good November and a good couple of months elsewhere, you still got to be mindful of these rate of change inflections, and that's really what we're trying to call out. I mean, we'll see where we are, but we're trying to let people know before we get there what we think is coming.
There are definitely more than a few REITs of the 200 some odd ones that are over levered, but the bigger and for them, and I would put for sure SL Green, MPW, like all these guys in this category, it's a big kick the can exercise and buying time. That's the whole game.
Talk about Alice in Wonderland. I mean, the street's expectation for earnings growth next year going into this recession is beyond the beyond. I mean, it's like, and they have things like AI, ChatGPT, Hedgeye. It's not like they can't actually see it. Like, unlike going into 2008, which is a completely different recession, we've been talking about the dynamics of interest rates to housing, interest rates to public real estate investing, but private real estate investors. I mean, Mike Taylor went on and on about this in the three-way real conversation I had with him only a couple of weeks ago on Hedgeye TV with Mike Green, that he's like, all of his, because he's a big landlord, apartment landlord, multifamily, and he's like, never seen it like this before, in terms of people not making payments ever. All right, way worse than 2008.